Okay, so in this video we're going to look at how we add items to our shop onto our public shop page in a gallery once we've added them onto our site as inventory. So in another video we talk you through how to add items to your shop inventory, and then here what we're going to do is add them actually onto the visible website into a gallery. So the first thing to do is go into the edit part of the Weebly platform, and once you're in edit we're going to find shop. Okay, so at the moment we can see we've got 4 products here. Yeah, if we want to add more products, then what we do, we've got the 4 here, yeah, is select products and then add what else we want to add. So you can see here we've got badges is not added, commissions, Greg. So what we'll do is let's have a look at all, let's select all the products to start with. Okay. Yep, so we've got 7 products selected. And you can see now, there they are listed on the page. Now you can make them bigger photos by reducing the number of products per row. But in the shop itself, if you look at most high-level shops, the first thumbnail is relatively small. That's so that you can present more information in one above the line, if you like, in the first part of the website that you see. So therefore, maybe I would suggest 4 for this particular design of website, or maybe even 5 would be good. And it just gives you an indication there of, you can see clearly what's available. And then what will happen is once you click on the item in the published version, it will take you to a product page with more information. So let's just publish that so we can see a published version, and go to the shop, and there we are. You can see it presents quite nicely, I think, for my taste. The small items, click on the item that you're interested in and it takes you to a product page which is larger. And that product page has all the information that you input in the inventory part of your website, which is in another video. Right, so here, this one's been put on and hasn't been put into a product page. So I'll address that in another video. If you don't actually do a product page, then what you end up with is this, which is the item information that you've input. If you then make a new page and add that item to the page, you can embed this product item information into a generic product page, which might have information on delivery and all that sort of information. So I'll show you that in another video. So just to go back then to the edit, just to finish that off, as you see, we've got 5 in a row in terms of product items. I'm going to change that to 4, but as I say, it can be changed to any number of columns, down to a minimum of 2. If you wanted less than, if you wanted 1 item in a row, then obviously you'd add an image, not a gallery. Okay, so that is that. Now I'll publish that just to make that change. And what this video has shown you is how to add items which you've already added to your shop inventory into the shop window of your website in terms of a product gallery. So I hope that helps.